my name is Larry Newman. I'm a DWI defense attorney located in Ithaca, New York. We handle cases around the Finger Lakes region of New York State. Today I want to talk to you about a DWI case where the stop of the car based on the ticket, based on the police narrative paperwork, was an unconstitutional stop. But then when it went to a suppression hearing, the case expanded and the police officer talked about other things that he saw. So this is what happened. He's following a car, it's late at night, it's in the early morning hours, it's 1:30 in the morning. And he watched the car abruptly go from one lane to the other lane. He wrote the car a ticket. He stopped the car for an unsafe lane change. It's the only ticket that they wrote in terms of the moving violation for the stop of the car. Well, to be an unsafe lane change in New York State, you have to have other cars on the road that you're being unsafe towards. The whole idea of having motor vehicle rules is safety, safety, safety. And in this particular case, there were no other cars around, so you really didn't have an unsafe lane change. But when it came time to take this case towards a hearing, the police officer took the stand, took his oath and said, I witnessed another violation that I didn't give a ticket for because it's in my discretion whether I give tickets or not. And what I saw was not only did he make the lane change abruptly, but he failed to use a turn signal. Any change of lane in New York State requires a turn signal, but how often do cars change lanes in the early morning hours or the late night hours and fail to use a turn signal, or it's impossible to even make that turn signal work because you're already in the turn itself. So the case got tossed, or the case got affirmed by the judge as being a good stop of the car because police officers are entitled under their discretion to write tickets that they want to write, and they might see behavior that's bad driving behavior that's enough to give them probable cause to make a stop of a car even though they don't write a ticket for it. I know sometimes people feel that that's unfair, but that's the way that it is. If you have questions about your DWI case, you can either give us a call, shoot us an email, fill out the form on our website. Be more than happy to discuss it with you. And thanks for watching this video.